And now, as you prepare to begin internships in hospitals across the US and elsewhere, also Aruba, you carry with you something powerful. Not just academic credentials, but a worldview. An experience of diversity, of community, and of the resilience that takes the thrive in unfamiliar environments. These qualities will serve you well because healthcare at its core, it's not only about medicine, it's about humanity. It's about trust, empathy, and presence. As minister, as public health, I've seen that the best clinicians are those who listen as carefully as they diagnose. Those who approach each patient as a person, not as a case. Those who remember that even the smallest act of kindness can be part of the healing process. As you move into the next stage of training, I ask that you carry that mindset with you. Yes, study, specialize, excel. But never forget that you are caring for someone's mother, brother, friend, or child. And perhaps one day, when the time is right, I hope some of you will return to the Caribbean, to Aruba, or to unserved areas where the need is great. There's always room for healthcare professionals who bring both excellence and heart. To the faculty and staff of Xavier University, thank you for your commitment to training healthcare professionals who are not only skilled, but also socially conscious. To the families, your support, sacrifices, and love made this day possible. You should be incredibly proud. And to you, the graduates, this is your moment. You have the tools, you have the training, and now you have the responsibility. Use it wisely, use it bravely, use it well. Congratulations, class of 2025. Masha pa bien. May your careers be long, your hands be healing, and your hearts always open. Thank you.